Hello and welcome 2022. This is my first video clip for this year and I am so excited because I have a lot of new things in store for you. I hope you all had a good holiday and once again, happiest new year to all of you, all my viewers and all my subscribers. This year, we are going to do a lot more cafe reviews, milk tea shop reviews, drinks reviews. As always, typical of this channel, we are going to make cost-effective, budget-friendly and easy to find ingredients that you can make at home. And also, if you're planning to start a new business this year, it could be a milk tea shop or a coffee shop, then the recipes that I share with you here are all very easy to make. And of course, they can be adjusted depending on your price point. So you can make it more premium or less premium depending on your target market. So I am going to be talking a lot more about business ideas on this channel this year. So please, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button and also stay tuned. To welcome the new year, I'm going to make a new drink and it is a requested video tutorial and a requested recipe. It is a long name, so I have to read it out. It's called Iced Chocolate Almond Milk Shaken Espresso. This is a Starbucks copycat recipe. Think of it like a mocha, except that it has this malty taste and it uses almond milk. For this, I am going to use my dark roast coffee beans. Starbucks use a blonde roast, which is more like a medium, but for my iced coffee, I prefer dark roast. And for the chocolate malt, I am going to use Milo. This is available in Asia and also in Australia. So I have made a few coffee drinks using Milo, Neslo, that is Nescafe and Milo. This time, I am going to use Milo and pair it with espresso using our espresso machine, Starbucks way. For the almond milk, I'm going to use a commercial almond milk here. It is a brand called Blue Diamond Almond Breeze. And because we are going to shake our drink, I'm going to use a shaker and I'm going to show you in two different cup sizes. One is 16 ounces or grande in Starbucks and the other is 22 ounces or venti in Starbucks. Let's start with our 16 ounce drink. For this one, I'm going to use 2 ounces of espresso. I now have 4 shots of espresso here, but because I'm making a 22 ounces or a venti, I need 3 shots of espresso there, so I'm going to pull 1 more shot of espresso. My final 1 shot of espresso here, so altogether 5. Now that we have our espresso shots, let's start with our 16 ounces. For this, I am going to use a shaker, and I am going to put 3 tablespoons of my Milo or any chocolate malt powder that you have available for you, Ovaltine, Cadbury, whatever. 2, 3, and then for the 16 ounces I'm going to use 2 shots of espresso or 60 ml. So put them both there. Note that I'm using a small shaker here. This is only 12 ounces because I'm going to fill this with milk on top to shake. So it is smelling delicious, really strong coffee there. And I'm going to put the ice as well. So into my cup there. It is looking really good. To add more ice here, fill it with ice. And then finish it off with our almond milk. Here is our 22 ounces recipe, and for this I'm going to use the same shaker. This time I'm going to put all my 3 shots of espresso here, 2, 3, and then I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of my chocolate malt, 1, 2, 3, 4. Note that we are not putting any sugar here or sweetener because the chocolate malt powder are already sweetened. Now because the espresso is still warm, you can stir to dissolve the chocolate powder or the Milo, and then we'll add the ice. And to do the shaking part, let me give this a try. 2 shots of espresso. Well, I must say it is a little bit odd for me because the taste of the almond milk is very, very nutty, and then you add the malty chocolate there. I am not sure if this is something I would go for, but it seems very popular, especially for those that prefer non-dairy milk. Let me give this another try. It is definitely not sweet because we used only the chocolate malt or the Milo to sweeten the drink, and I'm also not using a 3-in-1 variety. The taste of the coffee is very strong, but what stands out is the taste of the almond milk. So if you're into non-dairy alternative, this is perfect for you, definitely. I just cannot tell exactly how it tastes like because it's a very, very nutty taste. The almond milk is definitely standing out in this one. The color is absolutely perfect. The texture of the drink is also very good. The addition of that chocolate powder or Milo on top also makes it look more attractive. I would say it tastes very different from a regular mocha, but this is something which is especially for those that are allergic to dairy or those who prefer almond milk instead of dairy milk. Well, would I be ordering it from Starbucks or add this to my approved drinks just yet? I think almond milk coffee is better off without adding anything else into it. Having said that, you might wish to try this drink with regular milk or simply make it without the chocolate malt. That's just me. If you have tried this drink before at Starbucks, do let me know how it is for you. In the meantime, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Ciao for now.